In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your sales funnel for your digital services. Hey there, Cham here. I'm a video and internet marketer, and if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure to click that subscription button and also that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I create a video like this one. So for you to create sales funnels for your digital services, you can use this tool called ClientsNest. So for you to start, all you have to do is click this new form button right here. And as you can see, you can either start things from scratch or use one of these templates that you can see right here. So they got something for web design services, SEO, video creation, and local SEO. And because I'm a video guy and I provide video creation services from time to time, what I can do is choose this template right here. So once I do, as you can see, the funnel is pretty much already done for me, but I can always go ahead and modify one of the processes if I wanted to, and I can do so by hovering my mouse and then click this edit button right here, and I will be taken here. And I can always go here and change this item list if I wanted to. So for example, instead of a video presentation, in case I don't create this type of video, I can always go here and maybe change this with logo reveal instead, something like that. And then of course here I can also change the price, maybe for our logo reveal. Of course this is too expensive for a logo reveal. Maybe I can make this $99 or so, and then click save. And then close this one. And then of course I can pretty much do that with all of these other steps as well, but I think you already got the idea. Another thing that I can do is also go here to form designer, go here to design, and change this color, and I can match this with my branding. And my branding is actually a bluish color as well, so I can just leave it as that. Although if I want to change this exactly with the kind of blue that I use for my branding, I can always copy the hex code and just paste it here. So once I'm done with this one, I can then go here to view form and check out how that looks like. This is what my clients can check, and they can choose from any of these categories right here. So for example, they want to order a long form sales video, they can choose this one, and then they can click next step, and then they can choose video length. They can again choose the slider, if how many minutes is the length of the video that they want me to create. So for example, they want me to create like 10 minutes, and they can also see the pricing of that video shown by this slider right here, which is pretty nice, right? So next they can click next step, and then they can answer whether they have a script or not. So if they have a script, they can just click yes, and then they can simply upload it here. Or if they don't have one, they can also click no, I want you to write it, and then I can write the script for them. And then they can click next step, and then they can also choose a delivery time. So they can choose 30 days or 10 days, and then simply click next step. And then here they can enter their email and then click order video. And once that's done, I can then check the order in the dashboard. So as you can see, it's a pretty slick sales funnel that I can use for my video creation services. But like I said, aside from the templates, if you want, you can also create things from scratch. And there's a lot more features of this tool, but for now I'm not gonna show everything in this video because I don't want to make this video too long. But if you want to check out all the features of this app, I will place them as well in my blog post. And if you're watching this on YouTube, you can just click that link in the description below, and you will be taken to my blog post where you can watch those other demos to check out some of the other features of this app. But basically that's how it works. Aside from that, they also have this training videos section right here, so you can just go ahead and watch in details how the app works once you grab this app. So they have this introduction and walkthrough, setup training, dashboard walkthrough, form settings, so that you can check out how to set up all the details on your forms, text settings, email settings, funnel setup, design and branding, as well as some advanced features right here as well. So as you can see, that's how to create a digital marketing services funnel using ClientsNest, and I highly recommend this app. And so if you find this tool useful and you want to grab it as well, just click the button below if you're watching this on my blog. But if you're watching this on YouTube, just click that link that you can see on the description below, and you will be taken to my blog wherein you can grab this tool. And I look forward to seeing you using this tool as well to create your sales funnel and automate the process of selling your services to your clients, so that you don't have to manually go back and forth with your clients and talk about the details of your services and all that. So yep, thanks a lot for watching, and my name is Jem, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.